these are the 5 things that I will usually need to touch up throughout the day. Hi, my name is Maham, also known as Malika E Maham. You can find me here on YouTube and on Instagram as Malika E Maham. Usually my waterline always runs out and I like to retouch that and make it brighter. I also like to reapply my lipstick. On top of that, reapply some SPF lip balm during lunchtime. Then I like to spritz my face with this Pixie Sun Mist again. And I usually keep the eye sponge that I use to blot out any of the dots that it leaves behind. And then I like to touch up with the IT Cosmetics CC powder. This is in the shade medium tan. I also want to get in a lighter shade so it can have a brightening effect underneath my eyes. This is what I like to keep with me throughout the day to touch up my face. Those would be the things that would go in my daytime bag. At nighttime to touch up, I keep these items. I don't keep too many things because I don't end up using them. I have kept a lot of things in the past. I always love to reapply my lipstick at some point in the night, so I always keep my lipstick. I like to touch up my creamy eyeliner. If I'm taking a photo with somebody and it makes me look tired, I can always pop this on and I know it'll do the trick to make me look awake and alert. I also keep the mini beauty sponge. The one that I used that specific day, that's the one that I'll keep with me in my night clutch. So yeah, and then I'll also keep my eyebrow pencil just in case if I go to wipe my sweat and my brows come off. I gotta make sure I have brow backup. This is my night clutch, by the way. This is by FURLA. I absolutely love it. It's almost like dual color, mid-tone purple and then a dark tone mauve purple, which I love. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and please make sure to share this with a woman of color who you know is into fashion, style, she's working, she needs to go to parties after work. Please share my video with her. Thank you so much for your time and your energy. Please leave any questions, comments, or concerns in the comment section below this video. Here's another video coming from me now. Take care. Bye.